Hey everyone, in this video we are sharing 6 best workout which will help you to get stronger legs at home without any equipment. So without further delay, let's start our video. 1. Squat. The squat is a dynamic strength training exercise that requires several muscles in your upper and lower body to work together simultaneously. Adding squats to your workouts can help boost your exercise performance, decrease your risk of injury, helps to burn calories, strengthens your lower body and boosts athletic ability and strength. 2. Lunges. Lunges increase muscle mass to build up strength and tone your body, especially your core, butt, and legs. Improving your appearance isn't the main benefit of shaping up your body, as you'll also improve your posture and range of motion. 3. Squat and jump. Squat jump exercise ranks near the top of the list for developing explosive power using only an athlete's body weight. It helps to burn more calories and fat, boost your cardiovascular activity, and also strengthen your muscles. 4. Split squat. Split squat is a compound leg exercise that works multiple muscles in your lower body, including your hip flexors, hamstrings, quadriceps, and glutes. With proper form, split squats can increase leg strength and enhance flexibility. 5. Calf raises. One of the best ways to increase calf size is to do standing calf raises. This exercise emphasizes the gastrocnemius, the largest muscle in the calf. It can be done with or without weights. 6. Wall sit. The wall sit exercise activates muscle groups throughout your lower body, including your quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and calves. It burns a lot of calories, strengthens muscles, and improves balance and flexibility. At last, thanks for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.